Yeah, welcome back. So we go to 11th sloka, 2.11. Second chapter, 11th sloka. So now
what happens to other shlokas in between?
In between, we are actually talking about what is Arjuna Uvacha, Arjuna questions, and how Krishna is answering them. That is first point. Second point is we are distributing them into various subtopics. So first topics, whichever we discussed, we discuss them under goal setting. Now what we are discussing is related to responsibilities. Okay, so few slokas will be covered under art of parenting, few slokas will be covered under conflict management in such a way.
Okay, right now the shlokas that we are covering is under duties and responsibilities.
Exactly. See what happens if at all we don't perform our duty, why it is important to perform our duty. So under that, we have categorized them. So if to more detail to explain you, if at all we take in the first chapter, there are few slokas which explains like, how many kings are on the each side. Okay, that's why it's only the explanation part happens. So such slokas are avoided. Done?
Okay.
Yeah. So you have taken the screenshot of duties, responsibilities, and the difference, right?
No.
Yeah,
Hold
you
on.
can just take this difference also. Because I guess like I need not explain you these concepts. Yes. Second chapter, 11th sloka. असोचानन्वसोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पंडिताः. This is
You are not
Bhagavan.
sharing it on the screen.
One second. Okay. असोचानन्वसोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पंडिताः. This is Bhagavan Vacha. So Krishna was saying to Arjuna, what he was saying to Arjuna is, here Arjuna was in the first chapter, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, he was saying like, if at all I perform like this, if at all I participate in the war, what do my ancestors, like future generations will think about me? Why do I need this victory? Why do I need like this? So he was always questioning all the things. So Krishna is saying, why you are asking me logical questions? Why you are behaving such a way that you are crying but still like logical questions, like how we ask, suppose someone comes to us and say like I'm unable to perform my duty, I'm a failure and all these things. We try to say them, no, you can achieve anything, you can do everything, kindly do that, it is your cup of tea only, or some kind of motivating stuff. Then instantly the other person starts arguing with us, logically saying, how do you think that I can achieve this? Is it possible? When my family circumstances are like this, when environment is not cooperating. So logically we bring all the excuses. So we don't, our focus is on excuse, but our focus is not on the goal or not on performing our duty, but our focus will be on our excuse. How we are able to express our excuses, which we are able to think logically, we are using our mind. So here Krishna is saying, using your